So is that where you're from? Oh yeah, that's an American voice. Hi. What are you doing over here? Wait, you're down here? How the fuck are you doing that? Why did it sound like it was coming from up here? I'm sorry, balcony. Here? Right here? Right there. That's exactly where I pointed. And you said she's down there. Hi. Yeah, that's where I'm looking. It's not about y'all, it never has been. Right there. Hi. What are you doing here? Oh, nice. Where is he? He's up there? Oh. What's up, dog? What's your name? Sam. Nice to meet you. How's